Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. We want to take a look at an interesting stock. Today we are approaching a trading area or turning point, and we're going to take a look at that now. Make sure that you join us on dailymarketupdate.com so you can receive daily free Elliott-Wave updates. So when you follow the link in the description and when you get to our website, you can register here completely for free, and you will receive Elliott-Wave updates on a daily basis for various asset classes like gold, oil, S&P 500, Nasdaq, cryptos, and stocks. Today, we take a look at another stock, and we updated American Express. So when you click on this stock, you actually see the screenshots. Here, the long-term chart, the weekly, and the 2-hour chart. And also you get the written technical analysis update, including short-term support and resistance levels. We are taking a look at the weekly chart first. So let's hide the text. And here you can see on the weekly chart that a larger degree wave 4 likely bottomed end of last year in October, November. So we have a low in place in a wave 4. Basically, that's the end of a corrective structure, which is typically then followed by a trending move. In this case, the fifth wave to the upside is likely unfolding because most recently the price broke above all resistances. We had a breakout above the resistance at $182.40, and it seems likely that wave 5 is now unfolding. And our main primary scenario suggests that we should see further upside in this fifth wave over the coming weeks and months. And we're going to take a look at the microstructure on the 2-hour time frame in a minute to understand the relevant support and resistance levels on the smaller time frame as well. But I think here it's worth to understand that the main perspective, the primary scenario, is that we're currently in this fifth wave, and the fifth wave should extend a little further, quite a bit further actually, and that this is part of a larger degree third wave in blue, which means that as soon as this one topped, we are going to see another wave 4, also in blue, and a wave 5. So essentially should go much higher over the coming weeks and months. So it seems to be a good year for American Express in 2024. So performance should be quite good, and we see here further upside. We currently assign a 64% probability to our primary scenario on the weekly chart. The alternative suggests that this is only a corrective rally and that actually this fourth wave never finished. In the alternative perspective, we had a low in an A wave. Then this is currently a B wave corrective rally. Sometimes these B waves can overshoot, sometimes. And then a C wave would take us down lower. However, we need more evidence for that. We need to see a break of support, for example. But yeah, this is our alternative. And in this case, the wave 4 is still in the making. This is still long-term bullish. However, short-term it would be bearish. So it is worth to watch for potential reversals as well. If we see a sharp reversal, it might be an indication that this C wave to the downside has started. But again, it's only the alternative perspective. We currently assign it a 36% probability. Let's go to the 2-hour time frame. Here you can see again this October low, and it suggests that we are currently moving in wave 5 of 1 in magenta. This is basically wave 1 of the larger fifth wave I showed you on the weekly time frame. You see here recently the breakout above the last resistance level, and the target area here, or trading area, was already reached, is defined between $205.59 and $219.06. The idea is that wave 1 should finish there, which means it is an area where you might want to think about exiting some positions. Could even be an area for some short trades. That's of course not a recommendation. It's only what might be reasonable but it depends on your own risk profile and trading strategy. But overall, we can only highlight here the levels where we see a move end with a high likelihood. So in our primary scenario here on the 2-hour chart, we see this wave 1 complete in that region between the $205.59 level and $219.06 level. In the alternative, which we give 33% probability on the smaller time frame here, we would just see this wave 1 extend a little further. And yeah, basically in the upcoming pullback, the price needs to stay above the support level $140.80, or we will see an invalidation, and the alternative on the larger time frame will be triggered that we just talked about. So this suggests as soon as wave 1 there is complete, we can also add another trading area for the pullback, the subsequent pullback, which we would call a wave 2. It should, in our primary scenario, form a higher low, and then as soon as the price finds support in that region, for which we cannot yet add a support area, it's a little bit too early for that, the price should then turn around there as well and start a third wave to the upside, which would then typically be the most bullish wave in such an uptrend. So yeah, overall quite bullish, but it seems like that within this larger fifth wave I showed you on the weekly chart, the wave 1 is nearly complete. And it's worth knowing that a fifth wave also has 5 waves. So after that wave 1, a pullback should follow, forming a higher low, and then another higher high in the third wave, and so on. So yeah, quite a bullish outlook. Hope you enjoyed the update. Make sure that you follow the link to our website. Again, here you can register for free, and you will receive the free daily market updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.